Hello everybody, Mr. Nerfman11 here. And I'm here to do an unboxing video, which I said on my update. I think it was Tuesday, if I'm positive. And I told you I was going to do an unboxing video today. And I got it. I showed you I gave you a little hint for it. And it's an airsoft gun, 2 of them. I won't tell you what kind they are, but yeah, they're airsoft guns. I got it off of Airsoft GI. Yeah, so yeah, Airsoft GI. I heard they were pretty good at this stuff, so I thought, well, let's just go ahead and get one. See where I want to open this up, because I'm trying to figure out the easiest way to get it out. I think up here will be good. And yeah, this is my pocket knife. I got it last Christmas, so lucky me. So I didn't really want a pocket knife, but I got it anyway, so lucky me. But yeah, I heard Airsoft GI was pretty good. So I just thought I should try it out see if they're pretty good. I mean, it looks like they're pretty good because they shipped it early. I mean, God, it's like 8:30 or something? No, it's around 5 something. Yeah, UPS is good. Yeah. So, now we're opened. Oh, can't let you see this here. Throw that in there. Where do we start? Start with this. It's okay. I got a GM airsoft gun. Don't know. It's a GM, I think. Ages up to 18 and up, which is I am 13. So is that already open? Hope I don't know if that's going to be good or not, but let's find out. See what this is. Let's go see that. Okay. Oh, we got BBs. So we got some BBs. These are 6mm. Yeah, those are pretty nice. I think that would estimate around, I don't know. This feels nice. I think this is fully metal. Yes, this is just nice. It feels good. I mean, God. I mean, let me just put y'all somewhere. I mean, it's fully metal. God, it's cold though. It's neat. Where's that clip? How's that come out? Don't want to tear it up or anything. Oh, there's a button. Oh. Yeah, I don't think that's metal. Yeah, plastic. That is just nice right there. Bang, bang. Yeah, I'm gonna do a review on this gun because it's fully metal and I just like it. I just like this. Oh God. So yeah, that's the GM right there. Very nice too. I just like it. It's a UK Armors. The UK Armors spring pistol airsoft gun. So let's put that right there. I like that. I like the box. That's nice. That's just nice right there. Okay, I'm gonna put I don't think I'll need that right there. Yeah. Put the BBs up here too. Okay, so let's go with my bigger gun that I got. Oh. Oh, whoops. I think this is going to be my 8th airsoft gun, but all my other airsoft guns are broken, so good luck with that. Okay. I can put them out. So I think that's it. Now, M16B. Yeah, that looks just great right there. That's, oh god, this is the M1 M16. I'm sorry. I'm crazy. It's an M16. Don't worry. UK Armors airsoft. God, comes with a light. It looks like. Yeah, let's open it up. I don't think y'all can see me, but tape. I'm still tired because it's still morning. Yeah. Oh. Let's see what these are. Instructions. God, this is just great. We got our handle, we got that. We got the gun itself, we got clip. Let's open this bad boy up. I think this one's fully metal too. I'm not sure. Okay, God, I just can't believe this. My first M16 rifle. God. I mean, I think I used to have an AK, and then I had some kind of gun. I forgot what it was called. Okay, just where do we start? Let's go with these laser lights. I don't think I'll put these on there, but I think I would at the same time. Yeah, we got a little laser light. It is from Airsoft GI, don't worry, it's Airsoft GI. I think I got this for like, excuse me, forgot how much. I'm not going to tell you the price anyways. I think that's plastic right there. This stock folds back. Looks like it will. I'll show you on the review, so the review will be on Christmas or past Christmas, because I don't have the tripod yet. So there's my BBs. Okay, let's go with the clip. That's plastic right there. Nice clip. I just like this. I mean, God. Yep. Nice. Now to the gun itself. This packaging is just off now. Okay. I think this goes on right here. Oh, slides on. You know, I don't think the handle does pull back. Nope. You know, you gotta explore the gun, you know, so, yeah. Well, if I can ever find a place for this, I'll put it on. Okay. Anyways, I don't think I'll use that anyways. And that just looks nice. It feels great. I wish the stock came back a little. You got your safety. You got your auto. You got your semi. Okay. Does that thing even move? No. You know, you just gotta explore the gun. No big deal, just exploring. You know? I think they ripped me off. I'm just kidding. Don't know what that is, and I don't want to find out. Yeah. So there's the M16. And here's the M3 right here, fully metal. I like this one. Yeah, very nice though. I think I like this one better than the big one. Bang, bang. Yeah. Well, yeah, some BBs. So this is Mr. Nerfman saying goodbye.